Hello guys, this is Saurabh from ITBHU and today we will be solving a problem on the system of equations. It is a chapter from the matrices and determinants in the 12th grade, of course, we study. But this problem involves a lots of ideas from the even 9th, 10th wrote. But this kind of problem we can easily expect in our future JEE advanced and of course this is problem is from the standard resources or AITs basically. It is kind of things. So let's read the statement and let's proceed how to approach this problem. Okay. Even when I was a student, I also find it difficulty while solving a system equation problem because sometimes it's gone too much lengthy. But I discovered new ideas while my teaching. Basically, when I prepared for the teaching stuff, right? Okay, let's read it. This statement, this equation properly. Okay. So basically, we have to comment p equals 4, q equals 1. So let's first calculate what is the d value, right? This is basically a 1, 2, 3. It is 2p6, and that is if we multiply this value, right? That is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and that is q. So okay, it's right lengthy but ठीक है कर लेते हैं equals 1 into pq minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 6, right? That is 4 minus 2, that is 2q minus 2, 2q minus 2 plus 3, 4 by 3 minus p by 3. तो यहाँ पे देखिए pq minus 4 q minus 1 plus 4 minus p. यहाँ पे अगर हटा लें ये हो जाएगा pq minus 4 q plus 4 minus p. P got nullify. P got as pq minus pq minus p minus 4 q minus 1, and its q minus 1 is also common, so we got as p minus 4 into q minus 1. p minus 4 and q minus 1. चलिए देखिए तो समझ में आ रही है अगर p की वैल्यू 4 या p की वैल्यू p minus 4 into q minus 1 अगर d की वैल्यू है तो अगर p और p इक्वल्स 4 हुआ और q इक्वल्स 1 हुआ, राइट? इसका मतलब d की तो वैल्यू है वो तो 0 होने वाली है, इसका मतलब यूनिक सॉल्यूशन तो नहीं आने वाला, ठीक है? तो और अगर p की वैल्यू 4 नहीं हुई और p की वैल्यू 1 भी नहीं हुई इसका मतलब d 0 नहीं है, और अगर d 0 नहीं है तो इरिस्पेक्टिव अगर d 0 नहीं है तो हमेशा यूनिक सॉल्यूशन आएगा, तो इसका ऑप्शन डी तो मतलब पक्का करेक्ट होने वाला। अब बात कर लेते हैं ए बी और सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट होंगे कि नहीं। चलिए तो एक काम करा, p की वैल्यू 4 और q की वैल्यू 1 रख दी तो इसका d 0 आ गया। तो ये एक बार ये वैल्यू हम काम करते हैं, ये पुट करते हैं, ठीक है? हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है p माइनस 4 इंटू क्यू माइनस 1 आ रहा है, इसको एक काम करा इरेज कर दिया, सॉरी देखते हैं। तो जो पहली इक्वेशन है वो है x प्लस 2y प्लस 3z इक्वल्स 1। दूसरी हो जाएगी 2x प्लस 4y प्लस 6z इक्वल्स 1। और जो तीसरी है वो हो जाएगी x प्लस 2y प्लस z, basically 3z is equals 3r, right? And if r is equals 1 upon 3, that is 3r is equals 1, then this all equation will be identical because this is not 1, right? This is 2. That implies there is only one plane, right? That implies there is a one plane, and one plane will be have infinite solutions. That implies option A is correct. Option A is correct. And if p is equals 4 and q equals 1 and r equals 1, that implies this value, right? This value, basically it is 3, right? And it is both the same equations, right? And basically that implies there are I will say x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 1 is as a plane, and x plus 2y plus 3z equals 3 as a plane, right? Basically these are two parallel planes, right? Because there can be can't 2 x y z, their combination can be given 1 at an instant and 3 also at that time, right? So that implies it is a null set. That implies also b is will be the correct option, because there are two parallel planes in this case when r equals 1, right? 3r equals to 3 basically, and of course you got the idea what I'm saying, right? Okay, let's proceed after that. P not equals to 4 and q equals 1, that implies d is 0, and when d is 0, let's put this value, right? Q equals 1. When q equals 1 and r equals 1 by 3, that implies this plane, sorry, that implies this one and this one will be the identical. Bear with me. When q equals 1 and r equals 1 upon 3, that implies the plane plane A and plane C are identical, and when P is not 4, that implies B is not identical, right? So there are two planes, and two planes have infinite solution because two planes have infinite solution because they have a common line of intersection, right? So it is also has infinite solutions, and it is given singleton, right? So C is incorrect. So the correct option will be A, B, and D. I hope you enjoyed this problem. This is a good problem. And the idea which we use generally is this kind of ideas, not we just directly jump on the we calculate D1, D2, D3. This is called very lengthy sometimes, and in terms of JEE advanced, we avoid such kind of things. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and let's move to another problem.